Hi my loves, how are you guys doing today? All right, I'm starting a vlog this month. This is it. It is November 2nd. It's a Monday, and I decided that I was gonna add a vlog a month on my channel. Okay, so I'm not sure where that's going so far, but I'm trying things out, so let me know in the comment section if that's something that you are excited about, or if you don't care about it. But yeah, let me know if you guys want it, because at the end of the day I do it for you guys, so I want to know if you want it. Okay, so today's Monday. Ella is done with her work, with her homework. It's already late. It's like 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. No, it's 2:30. It's 2:30. I am ready to go. I have laundry to fold right here. I just did a virtual fitting with one of my clients, uh, for their shorts, for their jeans. I do their curvy jeans, so that was fun. I did style my hair. So for reference, for you guys to know where we are in time, last week Friday I got my hair cut at the Without Hair Salon. If everything goes to plan, the last video you saw was also a vlog, but it was a vlog about my new haircut, about my trip to the Without Hair Salon with Anila. And yeah, and that's that. So that's me styling my hair myself using mostly Without Hair products. I'm about to do a post on my Instagram to show you guys what I did to my hair, what product I use and all that. And that's that. I think nothing crazy. Thankfully today we have a beautiful, let me show you how pretty the sky is today. Look at this. Look at how amazing this weather is. And I'm saying amazing because in the past month of October, all we had was rain. I feel like we had one day of blue sky and 6 days of rain. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, do my little Instagram shot, and then take Ella out so she can enjoy this beautiful weather. And I'll see you guys later. Hi, my loves. It's Tuesday morning. Happy Tuesday. Today's election day. I am pretty busy today. I am going to work out right now. Then I have to film a video, and then I need to post something on Instagram, and I need to get ready for the live stream that we're having on Friday, and finish my newborn photos. So I'm gonna start with the first thing on my list: put my gym clothes on, go downstairs and do a little bit of a workout, and then start my day. It's currently 8 a.m. or a little bit past 8 a.m. at this point, maybe 8:30 or close to. So I'm not gonna waste any more time because I need my day to be productive today. All right. So far I got my workout clothes on. Then I take my computer to choose my program, and this is what I see. Look at how cute! Oh my gosh, I can't! This is what I see, and I have been editing this photo for the past 10 minutes, and that's how I get screwed. That's how Luisa doesn't get to do her workout, because when she starts something, her work gets over and distracts her from what she's supposed to be doing. So I am going to close Lightroom right now. Oh, so cute. I can't wait to deliver those pictures. I'm sure they're I'm sure the parents are eager to see the pictures too. I'm almost done. Quit Lightroom. All right, bye Lightroom. And for the photographers out there, yes, I do edit my pictures on Lightroom Classic, I think they call it now. It's easier, and I don't know, I like it better. And since my pictures are I make sure that the light that I have on my pictures is up to my expectations. I don't have a lot of editing to do when I'm done. Usually it's just like little blemish and scratches and whatever newborns do to themselves at that stage, you know. All right, I'm gonna work out right now. It's happening, guys.
The first thing to pull up under you, that's what lifts you back up. Core is tight, back is flat when I go forward, and my right shoulder is engaged. So Ryan, do me a favor, come in front of me. So if I were to do this wrong, see that? There's no resistance. I have to pull that shoulder back. Now I have the resistance of that loop in my leg. I've got two more. I push harder. It may never be as strong as the other side, but I work every day to make progress and to get better. That's all I'm asking you to do, is work to make progress and get better. And embrace the challenge, or are you going to just let it defeat you? Give up on yourself. Not push for your goal. No! We don't quit. How do we finish? Thank you. Last one. And switch. I know. TeamBeachbody.com or talk to a Team Beachbody coach to buy an 80-day obsession challenge pack. And join me in the chat for the total body transformation you are going to be obsessed about. 80-day obsession. Let's do this.
Allô? Oui. Non, non, j'étais en train de finir mon sport. Et puis, il faut que je finisse d'éditer les photos du bébé, les envoyer aux clients. J'ai envie de faire ça ce soir parce que j'ai presque fini là. Waouh! Mon Dieu, j'avais quel âge? J'avais 7 ans? Non, j'avais plus, j'avais 10 ans, je me souviens, ouais.
Encore une fois, erreur de ma part. Elle est belle, ma fille, regarde ça. Regarde qu'elle est belle.
Wow. All right, let's do this. Okay. Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you are new, my name is Luisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video, I want to talk about how I minimize freeze in my high porosity fine wavy to Hi my loves. Okay, I refreshed my hair. This is a day 2. I refreshed my hair with this product. It's called Cake. I used the leave-in conditioner you guys recommended. I tried this brand. And I took it without looking at the composition, the ingredient list. And you guys, there's so many different type of alcohol in there that I don't even know. I didn't even know you could put that much alcohol. There's cetyl alcohol. There is stearyl alcohol, glycerin, isopropyl alcohol. Like there's like 50 shades of alcohol. And there's dimethicone. Yeah, so here's the deal. My hair feels dry. I put a decent amount for a day 2, and my hair feels dry. You can tell Like I can tell that this is dry. Again, my hair is high porosity. I do not retain the moisture properly, especially when we enter into the cold season. I just got a haircut, so my hair should be like nice and healthy. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm seeing is a lot of dryness in my hair, a lot of frizz up there. Not working for me. It's not the only product I got from them. I got their spray, the spray bottle. What's the name of it again? It's like a wave maker or something like that. I got the curl whip and the wave maker. That's the name. I got these two. So I'll try them. But that's my bad. I should have paid more attention to the ingredient list. But yeah. All right, so next I am going to the post office because I have a couple orders for my new merch. You guys are so awesome. You guys been ordering left and right. If you guys want to get your towel, your Lulu C'est La Vie microfiber towel, whether it's for your face or for your hair, if you want to get your Lulu C'est La Vie brush, or if you want to get your portable diffuser, check the link because I will put all the information you need over there. You can order on my website and I will be happy to ship it to you. And voila! Actually, hurry up because I've got a bunch of orders, you guys. Thank you so much. I only have a limited amount and I'm not sure I'm gonna reorder. So you guys, if you want to get your unique, I want to say, merch, order soon because once it's gone, it's gone. All right. On another note, it is, what time is it? Like 3 p.m. and I still don't know who the president is. History. Hi, my love. Happy Friday. How are you guys doing? I'm doing fantastic because today I have a live stream with you guys, and it's been a month of not talking to you on my live stream, so I am super excited. I can't wait to see my girls again. Well, it's not like I can see you, but like talk with you, interact with you. Really, that's what it is, the interaction that I like so much. I have a lot of cool stuff coming in this live stream. And if you have not seen one of my live stream yet, it happens every first Friday of the month. It's a cool little interaction between us guys, girls, should I say. Although there's a man here and there once in a while, but it's mostly women. If you have any questions you want to ask me, that live stream is the time. If you have any things you want to share with the community, the live stream is the best place to do it. So yeah, and this month it's gonna be so much fun. I have so much to talk about, so I can't wait. Right now I've been working all morning. Ella's at school. Today's the day she's in person, so she's at school. I already have to go and pick her up. That's how fast the morning went by. But also I did have breakfast with my husband, which was great quality time. And then I got home and I started working, and time just flew by in 2 seconds. So that being said, I'm gonna go and pick up Ella from school. I'm gonna come back home, grab a bottle of wine for my live stream tonight, and then I have to get ready because obviously I didn't do anything with myself yet, but that will change soon. And then voila, that's that. Hey, my loves. All right, it is Sunday night. Sunday night. We had such a great weekend. The weather was beautiful. It was warm. I was wearing a tank top all day. We were at the beach all day today. We were outdoors all day yesterday, or most of the day. I got this pretty piece of jewelry right here from my friend Katie. I will link her website in the description box. She made this one. She also made that one that Nigel got me for my birthday. I am so in love. It's like all 14 karat gold plated, so it's a thicker layer of gold. These are little freshwater pearls. I also got this little bracelet that she made also. Well, I will leave the link in the description box if you guys are interested. Her creations are amazing. Now, yesterday was, I'm sorry for the mess in the background, you guys. It's just what it is. I'm too tired to clean up right now. But yesterday was the results of the elections, you guys. And we got the news that Joe Biden made it as a president of the United States, which was a big deal. It's pretty much history in the making. I don't want to talk politics too much, although I already kind of did throughout the week. But I don't want my channel to be talking about politics like that. But at the same time, I decided to vlog the week of elections. Didn't really think that through very well. So it is what it is. And at the same time, it's like part of history. So it's kind of cool that I was vlogging this week. To change the subject, I want to talk about my hair real quick for 5 seconds. This is end of day 2. Today I wet my hair under the water, apply my regular products, which is Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask as a base, and GC Curl Spiralicious, Rocking Ringlets as a leave-in styling product, and then GC Curl Spiralicious, which is, I believe, is the gel. If not, it's the other way around, Spiralicious, Rocking Ringlet. I never know which one's which. One is a leave-in and the other one is a gel. So that, and then I diffuse my hair. No, I did not diffuse my hair. I let my hair air dry. I let it air dry, and this is me at the end of my day. I had a cast for the longest, you guys. I was at the beach. Well, there was no wind, but I was at the beach, and this is my hair. It's really good for a day 2. Anyways, I just want to end this video at that. I hope it's not going to be too long. It's pretty much my first time doing a week-long vlog on my channel. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoy that type of video, if you want to see more of it. I was thinking about doing that once a month. So I probably already said that on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. But for me, this whole video lasted a whole week. So, you know. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about, seeing a little bit of my life throughout 1 week out of the month. We?
Can I let my hair get wet?
No, boo boo, I put the leave-in conditioner in your hair already.
Huh?
Your hair already has your leave-in conditioner in it, so don't wet it anymore, okay?
I can't hear you.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right there. All right, my loves, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay happy and healthy. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.